In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Workspaces admin in two convenient ways. Whether you're new to managing your organization's Google services or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start with the first method. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Workspace website. This is the main entry point for accessing various administrative features provided by Google. Once you're on the home page, locate the admin console option, which is typically prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. Next, you're prompted to log in using your business email address. Here, it's important to use the email associated with your Google Workspace account. Enter your credentials confidently. After successful authentication, you'll gain access to the admin console. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the familiar Google Apps menu icon, which looks like a small grid of dots. Clicking on this gives you an overview of all the Google applications. From this menu, identify and select the admin icon. This step takes you directly into the administrative area of Google Workspace, where you can manage users, configure settings, and oversee various aspects of your organization's Google services. For the second method, you start similarly by visiting the Google Workspace website. Once there, click on the Login button. It will again require your business email address for sign-in. This method is straightforward, especially if you're used to accessing your Google accounts via the web. Now let's explore a slightly different approach to access Google Workspace's admin by using any Google application. While using applications like Gmail, Google Drive or others, you'll notice the same Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Clicking on it opens the app menu, which includes the admin icon. By selecting the admin option, you're directed straight to the Google Workspace, giving you administrator access without the need to repeatedly visit the homepage. Remember, both methods are designed to offer flexibility based on how you prefer to navigate Google's services. The first approach is direct through the website interface, ideal for those who manage admin tasks frequently. The second method through the Google app provides a seamless transition between regular usage and administration on any Google application. I hope this tutorial makes it clear and easy for you to log into Google Workspace's admin. Whether you're responsible for a small team or a large organization, having quick access to admin settings is crucial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these methods simple and effective to implement in your daily routine.